guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog will be a couple of productive fall days of my life, but it is currently Saturday morning. I'm getting ready to go to a yoga class, which is actually outdoors, and it's like really beautiful here. It's my first time coming to this yoga class, but I found this event through Meetup. If you guys don't know what Meetup is, it's pretty much like a platform to where people meet up to do just different things, different events in the city. So it's kind of like an Eventbrite and also like a Facebook group combined, if that makes sense. One of my intentions for just the fall and the rest of this year is to really meet new people and get outside of my comfort zone. One of my ways of doing that is just going to different like workout events, going to different free events, because for one, like I'm trying to be also like financially responsible the rest of this year. For me, going to like free yoga classes, going to my gym class, and also going to like the running group as well too. It's all like really great ways for me to just to remain active, but also just to meet new people as well too. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for yoga class. Hey guys, it is the next day. I'm currently getting ready to go to an event. It's an event that JoJo Shake Bar is throwing for their like pumpkin patch launch event. They invited me like last week or so very excited. It's supposed to be pumpkin painting and just like a photo booth session, just seasonal and fun like cocktails, drinks, and foods and all that. I'm very excited to go. This is my outfit. I feel like I struggled finding anything to wear this morning because I wanted the vibe to be obviously like festive and fall, but with this weather, it's pretty much, yesterday felt nice, but today it's definitely more closer to the 90s. So this is what I can do, is this outfit. But yeah, let's go to the event. They gave us this, but they gave us these, and then outside party room. They're putting it here. I'm gonna hurry to make my cocktail. I got a pumpkin spiced latte. Let's go. Yeah. Guys, what? My back is getting big just looking at this. Okay, now we're gonna paint pumpkins. I think I want to do like black cats. This is my intern. you. I painted you. Hey guys, I am back home from the event. The event was really fun. It was very cute. The only thing, my tripod's moving because Bo is playing with my tripod right now. Bo, cut it out. Yeah, the only thing is that it was just so hot. Whenever I go to these creator events, I always run into somebody that I know or that I either just follow, just being in the creator community and whatnot in Orlando. But yeah, it's definitely a great experience. And right now it's still Sunday. This is when I do my planning for the week. It is also the end of September as well too, so I have to plan out my October. I already planned out my October content, but I need to just put it in my physical planner as well. So I like to have my physical planner, my Notion, and then also have just a calendar right up here that I use. So I have 3 things constantly reminding me like what I need to do throughout the week and whatnot. But I'm gonna go ahead and start planning out my week. Good morning, it is Monday and I have a pretty productive day ahead of me. Today I'm going to go work at a cafe and then I also want to go to Trader Joe's to get some just like fresh fall flowers and maybe like a few seasonal items as well too, just like some snacks and whatever else they have. And then also I'm going to go on a run later today. It won't be till later this evening for the run club that I'm in. Yeah, I have a pretty productive day ahead of me. I feel like when it comes to like throughout the year, I mostly just work from home, like I'm in my office. When it comes to fall time, I'm like constantly in somebody's cafe because like they always like deck it out for like with decorations and then they have all these really cute just like festive drinks and whatnot that I want to try. So in the fall time, I feel like at least once a week I try to work in a cafe or something. I also want to show you guys my favorite body care for the season at the moment. I've been loving this Dove like cinnamon pumpkin pie body wash. It smells so good and it has these like exfoliation beads in it, that way you also exfoliate. But yeah, it's limited edition and I got mine from Target. And then I also got this Tree Hut Pumpkin Pop Shea Butter. This one smells really good as well too. But for me, like I love combining this with my go-to lotion, which is my EOS Vanilla Cashmere Lotion. Me and this lotion go together real bad. We go together real bad. It smells so good. It smells like a vanilla cream cake. I don't know what it is about it, but it smells so good. But I like to use a little bit of this and a little bit of this together, and it's literally like chef's kiss. Like it smells so good. So don't walk, run to your nearest Target, get some of these. These together make you smell just like a pumpkin, like cheesecake. I can't really describe it, but it just smells like so good together. But yeah, these have been my favorites go-to body care for fall. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to go to the coffee shop. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pack my things for coffee shop. This is what I'm wearing. Also want to show you guys my current read as well too. I'm starting off this new book. So I'm starting A Court of Mist and Fury. This is like my first time really getting into fantasy books. I've been really loving it so far. But I read this one back at the beginning of September or August. And then right after that, I just read this like self-help book from one of my favorite creators. Came up with the book, but it's a really quick read. I read it in like a week or so, but it's definitely like a good read if you're someone who's starting out on your self-development journey for the first time. Yeah, it took me like literally a week to finish this. So I think this book after this one was a good filler, but now I'm gonna start this one today and I'm really excited. But let me know if you read any of these like books or just like the Avatar series or whatnot. But I heard this book one of the most popular books out of the entire series. Like it's really good. But yeah, we shall see. just finished shopping at Trader Joe's. I'm gonna do a quick little mini haul. So I got these fall accent flowers, and they're really cute. Got these, and then also got silicones from my shower. I got these chips that I've been seeing everywhere on social media or just in the YouTube space, so I want to try it out. It's like these ghosts and bats potato chips, and it's also gluten-free. Everyone that I've seen buy it said it was really good, so interested to see how this tastes. And then if you guys watched my last cozy fall vlog, I got this autumnal soup last time, and it tastes really good, so I got some more of it. And then I just got some smoked salmon, some cheese because I was low on it, and then I got seafood paella. The cashier, she said she's from Spain. She said she tried it and it's really good, so might have this for dinner tonight. We'll see, but this is like a limited edition, I think. It's new, but yeah, I got the seafood paella. Last but not least, I got the pumpkin bread and muffin mix, so I can make some pumpkin banana bread. I also have bananas at home, so I might make it with bananas as well too, but I got the pumpkin and bread and muffin mix. But yeah, that is it for my haul. I'm gonna head home and get ready for my run tonight. Guys, just got back home from the run. I wanted to close out the vlog here. Thanks for coming along with me for a few productive fall days of my life. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys for another video next week. Bye.